Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and today we got Josh with his 2018
Chevrolet ZR2 Colorado.
All right, and he's got a Corsa performance exhaust, and we're gonna
the best. We got the Corsa,
and that's made right in Berea, Ohio. So we are going to install it onto his ZR2 Colorado, which is up on the lift. And looking underneath here, it's got a big ass muffler, and I think it's going to connect from here on back, but we'll see. Let's unbox it. All right, let's take a look. Uh-oh, stop. Don't install this. There's the instructions, and it's packed up pretty good here. All right, so it is going to go where I think it is going. It's totally all like stainless steel. There's Abby the Wonder Dog.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at those tips. Those are beefy.
That's gonna look sweet.
That's going to look real sweet in place of this tip right here. Wow. All right.
Look at the difference it's gonna make there.
Yeah. Sweet looking.
Cool.
All right. So I can already see that muffler is quite a bit smaller than this huge ass one. But it doesn't look too bad as far as taking it apart goes. Yeah, we're just going to disconnect these two bolts here. And then hopefully all the bracketry just plugs into the rubber grommets. Not quite sure, but we'll figure it out. This muffler, I mean, it's way smaller and way different design than this big, humongous one. So,
there's even like a resonator back there too.
Oh, we'll see here. Oh yeah, look at that. And that'll get replaced with just solid pipe. All right. All right, we got the old exhaust system on. It didn't take much effort at all. So we'll set that on the trailer. So you basically had these rubber grommets here that fit on these pins. Here, up there, and then here, and then two bolts. Pretty easy with two people. If I had to do this by myself, garage, and here we are on day number 2, almost a week later, working on Josh's exhaust system, catback exhaust system for his Colorado 2019 Colorado. Anyway, I don't know what's up with suppliers these days. I don't know if they're short-staffed, or not hiring competent people. But, we decided to go with a local company, Corsa. It's right here in Berea, Ohio. Now, I don't know if they make them in Berea, Ohio. I'll look at the shipping label to see where this came from. But they shipped us this exhaust system, and the pipe that goes over the rear end did not have the right mounts. So I think I got video of that. I'll show you. But this was what we were looking for. The bar needs to go straight across here. I think it still looks about the same shape. And then it's got a hanger here. I like the hanger system they have. It's GM design, and it works rather well. But for gosh sakes, ship me the right parts. I mean, come on, folks. You look at the part number. Everything was labeled correctly, too. The guy at Corsa said, oh, it wasn't labeled right. Oh, yes, it was labeled right. Your instructions are not correct. So it's no wonder the folks at the factory are not getting this right. All right, so here's the issue. You've got this a beautiful instruction manual, and I love these little diagrams here. And the number 3 part is the part we're having problems with. One of the problems on the way you do your instruction sheet, Corsa, is you're putting both these on separate pages. So you've got a diagram here, a bill of materials here, but then you got to flip over to the next page for another bill of materials. So I don't know if that confuses your factory people or whatnot, but it confused us while we were putting it together. So I would recommend you have your diagram, your bill of materials all on one page. Okay, my suggestion to you, Corsa. The problem was that we ordered the exact correct assembly, 2017 ZR2, and Josh went with the 14919 black unit, but they put in this sweep tailpipe over the rear end. They sent him the 4012 unit, which shouldn't have been in that box. It should have been the CC 4042 that was in the box. So, I mean, it took a while. Fortunately, you know, Josh is pretty close. He works pretty close to Berea. He went over there, explained the issue. The salesman didn't quite understand it, or the guy he talked to didn't quite understand it, but finally figured it out and got the correct part on order. So anyway, all right, we got the car on the lift. Let me pan back here. There we go. Got the truck on the lift, and the first pipe you're gonna put this pipe on. Then you got the muffler. I suggest you put a little WD-40 on there because you might have to slip this on and off a couple times. I had to, once I saw how much it was angling down, I had to go get I got a transmission support, but a tall jack stand would work good too. And then don't forget to put your clamp on there. And then I've got this pipe that we've been waiting for hoisted over the rear end, and we need to get it put in here. Now, I'm sorry, I'm going to put the camera down, but it should be pretty good squeezing those in there. I'm going to put it into this side first, and then I'm going to push this side on. That's what my plan is. So I might even actually pull this all the way off and then push it back on. Lube those up with WD-40. I mean, WD-40 is your friend on this. I know we like to keep it away from paint projects, but the silicone in WD-40 or whatever the magical formula is really helps out. So then going back to the tailpipe here, we've got one more hanger that's gonna go right into here. All right. I might need my pliers are your friend here. I've got some largemouth pliers that I'm going to use on this, and we will get her done. All right, here we go. Things are looking good. It's interesting. These Colorados have 3 catalytic converters. There's one here. Let me back up a little bit. One here, and there's one here and one on the other side of this V6. So Corsa supplies this pipe right here with a hanger. You got the muffler, okay, and it goes back to here. Don't forget to put your clamps on. You need to slide that back just a tad. I've got those muscled in. I didn't use any pliers. I just muscled them in. So they popped in. Use a lot of WD-40 or oil, penetrating oil, whatever. And then I'm not sure if I have this right, if it goes the other way or whatnot. I'll look at the instructions. This is your tailpipe, and Josh got the black edition, which is it looks like these are somehow plated black. So looking good so far. All we got to do is tighten things up now. All right, before you tighten things up, just one word of caution. There's a little pinhole right here. I imagine that's for water to drain out. So make sure you put your pinhole on the bottom of the exhaust so your water can drain out and the system doesn't rust from the inside out. All right, there you go. There's the Corsa exhaust system installed, and it's got some beautiful pipes sticking out here, all in black now. It says Corsa Performance. So we'll see. We'll give her a test drive, and we'll let you hear her too. All right. We got Josh's exhaust on, and I'm going to get his reaction to it. Here he is. The man, the myth, the legend, the coin expert here at Carrot Coin, along with Mike.
Man, it's like a Corvette exhaust tip.
Whoa. Yeah.
Sheesh.
Look at
it. Say Corsa enough.
Yeah.
Says it twice.
Get in there and fire her up.
Woo.
windows down so we can hear it. Is that better than no exhaust?
Oh, it's way better. Oh my gosh. I forget what stock was like, but
I don't
I didn't have a muffler for a week.
Yeah, thanks to Corsa. But we told that story already.
Yeah, they fixed this up though.
So we're happy
It
campers.
happens. It happens.
Yeah, stuff
Worked in
happens.
Napa for 3 or 4 years, and I know it happens.
People make
Then
mistakes.
It had to happen to me. Yep. But if that's the worst that's going to happen, then I'll take it.
Yeah, it was an easy system to put on. So I hope you enjoy it.
Yep.
See ya.
Thank you.